Chef production. Got me like, don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while I cite this now, so let me grab the mic. Don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while I cite this now, so let me have the mic. I'm getting older, I'm no longer the young pro, so ain't no little kid gonna tell me I'm done for. And you ain't even worth it to rhyme to, just thought I'd go and leave a little note to remind you, in case you wanna stir the pot up, cause a little drama you don't really wanna battle. Lots of things you never thought of and never seen. You caught a line and became a fiend. My dope rhyme like amphetamine. You had a dream, the type to make you think you fought through. Who you think you are, you ain't too big to sock to. I kick one, I grab the mic and I spit son. Try to share the soul, laying low in my system. And say whatever, it just don't matter anymore. I know my future is destined to carry on. There's no baggage, it's heavy on. My shoulders are very strong, you know. Don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while I cite this now, so let me grab the mic. Don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while I cite this now, so let me have the mic. Don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while I cite this now, so let me grab the mic. Don't wanna write this down, I wanna say it while I cite this now, so let me have the mic. It's just the same old motif, the heart never safe. Pretty girl's a cold thief, she got away. The way she move make you wanna stay. It's kinda smooth how she stalk or prey. I walk away, don't blame me if you see me look back though. She fit me